Well, happy birthday to me. And my birthday present, I get to fix a microwave. These Samsung products, our refrigerator I've repaired several times, it just keeps failing. This microwave has failed twice. This is the third time it's failed. My dishwasher failed. I had to fix that. I've got videos on the dishwasher and the refrigerator. The last two times I repaired this, I didn't video it. And this time I figured, might as well. Let's show you guys how to fix a microwave. The first time this thing failed, my wife was, I believe she was making some mashed potatoes and the steam got all up in it, and then she went to use the microwave and all the steam that had built up, it arced and sparked and made a bang and flipped the breaker. I figured it was toast. And when I unplugged it, the outlet on the wall was black. And when I pulled out that plug, everything inside the box was black and one of the wires was burnt. So it shorted out pretty bad. I fixed that outlet and it worked. Well, second time, same thing. Boiling water, it's all steamed up, go to use the microwave, arc and spark, and quit. Well, that was a fuse as well as a burnt wire. Well, again, yesterday, my wife was boiling some eggs. It all steamed up. Thought it'd set long enough for it to dry out. Go to use it and pop, pop, pop. Just what I wanted for my birthday. Maybe I'll get lucky. Maybe I'll be able to fix it. Let's tear it apart and see. While this microwave is still up in place, I could actually see through this grill. I could see arcing in here, so I knew where to start and where to look. And right away, you can see this is the power cord, and the neutral is completely burned through, and it has burned through on what I believe is the capacitor. So I want to be really careful because I don't know anything about this capacitor. I don't know how much energy it stores. I'm not sure how to discharge the power from this to bleed it down so that it's not going to zap me. And depending on how much power it has, that zap can be deadly. So I don't want to mess with that, but I need to wrap these wires as much as I can. So let's start by removing this power supply. I can see damage all the way through the casing on both. Alright, let's test this thing before I put it back together. Awesome. No more arcing and sparking. Let's put a glass of water in here and see if it'll actually warm it up. Steam. Awesome. All right, let's put this thing back together and get it back installed. All right, just got a few more screws on the sides and underneath. I'm gonna slide this up in place. Before I install this, I'll show you, there's little fingers that the microwave sits up into that slot and then pivots up into place. So just want to point that out. So when you're removing it, you take the two screws out of the top and rotate it down, and I like to put a few things on top of the stove so that it doesn't fall. Alright, another Samsung fixed. So, we learned a lesson. Don't cook, get a lot of steam on it, and then use the microwave. You gotta let it dry for hours. Pretty crazy that they can design such a thing that a little steam can just blow it up. But say this is the third time that I've actually repaired this thing, so you can do it. Just have to beware of what's in there and what you're working with, and don't get yourself shocked. Make sure it's unplugged, of course. All right. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye for now.